To use the curbside pickup function through the Danbury Library app, you'll first want to access My Account through the button or the hamburger menu. From here, click Holds. During curbside pickup hours, the curbside pickup button will be present if your item is ready to be retrieved. Indicate your vehicle's make, model, and color to help us locate you when you arrive. Select I'm on my way before you head over to the library. From this next window, you can choose to let us know your expected arrival time by allowing the app to view your location or by selecting an approximate time of arrival. Choosing your arrival time is optional. Once you have arrived at the library, select I'm here. You will receive a message from the library letting you know that your materials will be delivered soon. Remain in your vehicle and we will deliver your items. Once you have received your materials, click Done, and you're all set.